up this product that I learned from my cousin, and it's eggs from plants. It comes liquid, and you can put it in the freezer. I'm going to use 1/2 of this, and it's not bad at all. But I've never tried it in an egg salad, so we're gonna try it today. And they come in a carton. And like I said, it's liquidy. I'm gonna use about 1/2 a carton. So I have it in the microwave, and I'm gonna microwave that for about 3 minutes, maybe a little bit more, as long as I get it like curds, you know, like scrambled eggs. See, it looks like eggs, it's fluffy like eggs, and you're gonna season it the same way you want to your egg salad. Now, I have a number of seasonings that I'm gonna use. Use a little cayenne pepper, I use a little ground mustard, and I also use a little mustard seed, a little turmeric, kick it up. Turmeric's good for inflammation. A little turmeric, and give me more of a yellow color. A little dill weed, a little paprika, gotta hit it with a little garlic powder. And this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna chop this up. And unlike real eggs, they're a little rubbery, but you just keep chopping it up. I'm just gonna add about 1/4 a cup. I don't think I want more than that. About 1/4 a cup. And now I'm gonna start adding my seasonings that I've already told you about. And we're gonna do about 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Keep it coming. A hit of cayenne pepper. About 1/4 teaspoon of dill weed. Just a hit or a pinch. A few little mustard seeds. I like a little mustard in my dill weed, but this way I can cut back on vinegar by using mustard powder and mustard seed. So about 1/4 teaspoon of the mustard powder. Got to hit it with the garlic powder. About 1/2 teaspoon. And I'm going to garnish it with paprika. I'm not going to add salt unless I need it in the end, because I'm going to use this non-dairy ranch salad dressing. Let's maybe start off with, a little bit more, maybe 1/4 a cup. And we'll blend that. It looks good. I tell you. So thankful for these non-dairy products. This is something I learned from my mom. She likes to add sliced black olives. Now, olives are a good source of monounsaturated fat. So we're gonna add some sliced black olives. You don't have to. You can start with what we've already done and it will be delicious. And of course you drain them, maybe a couple of tablespoons. This is lunch. I would add this with my Waldorf salad, and I'll have the link for that. We're gonna just load it up. Fit for a king. So that's it. But try it. Try it with the sliced black olives. And again, you probably don't need to add salt. I'm not going to add salt. I think it's okay without the salt. You may want more. It's to your taste. But well, that's my no egg salad. I'm Das. I'm out. Please subscribe, share me with your family and friends.